In this video tutorial, I want to share with you a very free website where you can design your logo and export it for your social media, for your website, for any kind of usage, okay, maybe for your YouTube channel or anything. So to start with, all you need to do is to come to Tailor Brands, okay. So this particular website is called Tailor Brands, and to get to it, you come to your browser and just come to the search bar over here and just type tailorbrands.com, just like so, okay. So once you're here, you can start answering some simple basic questions that can enable them, give you an idea of how your logo is going to look like. So let's say kickstart your business, start with a logo. So start with a logo, but you have to give it a name first. So let's say this name is going to be Dr. Rashid, for example, and you get to add a tagline, okay. Let's say we put something like, this is optional, okay. So you click on design and let's see what happens. All right, so how did you discover Tailor Brands? You can just say maybe Google, and maybe through YouTube or Facebook. You can select anyone you like. Let's say Google. Let's say next. So what are you offering or intend to offer? If it's Google services, leisure and hospitality, original content, you can check other if you want, and then put the description. So let's say original content, because this one goes with self-made content like blogging, gaming, streaming, YouTube videos and stuff like that. So you select original content and then you click on next, and then you can say enter your industry. Let's say YouTube channel. So you can see some suggestions, YouTube channel, and then by telling us about what you do, we can create better designs for you. So you create videos tech related for students and professionals. All right, so give as much details as you can, because it's going to help them decide a particular design for you. So from this, pick a logo type that you feel like it kind of looks cool for you. I think this one can go. I think this one can go as well. So select up to 5 icons. So let's say we go with something like this, and maybe something like this, and the fifth one can be something like this. Alright, so you click on next. Choose 3 styles you love. Your choices will help us define the look and feel of your logo and brands. So let's say something like this. I like this text. Okay, I like this as well. So any 3, we've chosen 3, and then we click on next. And now designing your perfect logo, creating your own brands, planning your social posts, and you can see it. All right, so at this point you have to sign up for free, so you can use your Google or Facebook account. Let's say I'm using my Google account and I've just signed in. All right, so you can check, this is the suggested ones. You can customize at any given point. So if you select this is how it's going to look. This is how it's going to look on the website. Phone, this is how it's going to look. And even flyers, you can see them. All right, you can see even on a shirt, on a bag, and everything. You can customize it for you on different kind of things. If you love it, you can proceed with this, or you can check multiple ones. Scroll for more, you can see them. All right, you can see as many as you can from here. If you are not comfortable with all this, you can click to see more. Okay, you can see them as many. You can see them, and once you select on anyone, so let's say we select on this, and you can see it automatically changed everything in the brands. Okay, you got everything you want in the website. You can see it in even the shirt. You can see it, everything picked up in the flyers. You can see in the merchandise. You can see social media. You can see the logo, everything. So you can customize to your liking if you so wish, if you love it. So let's say we customize, and when customizing, you've got a number of things that you can do. For example, down here to your left, you can play with the tagline. You can edit the tagline. You can see different suggestions depending on what you want. Feel free to check out the layout from here and see what you can play around with. And the coloration, you can play with some of the palettes over here and see what you can bring. And as soon as you click on any of them, you can see it has changed everything. These are color palettes, not just an ordinary color. They are a combination of colors. See, these are the main color, the second color, and the tagline color. So it will specify accordingly, and then you can check the layout as well and see for yourself according to this color. So you can check other icons in case you are not comfortable with other icons. In case you want to increase the size of this, you're free to increase the size by coming to this and increase, and you can see it has increased. Or you want to decrease, you can do that accordingly. Or you can search for a particular tag from here. You can click on search and you can search, and you can check my icons, the ones that you've worked with. You can see all of them here, and you can check based on abstract icons. You can see quite a lot of them here. You can just select and work with them. All right, and down here you have the text option, the type option. You can put in any kind of description from here. You can type anything you want, and you're free to edit accordingly, and you will see the effect over here. And if you want to design a new logo, you can just click on this to just get back to that. You can save this particular one on your account, or you can undo or show sample. You can download sample just by coming here and just clicking on download sample over here. You can share the link, you can copy the link and share. You can preview my logo page, how it's going to look like, or you can just download a sample instead. Okay, just click on download, and you can see it over here. It's just downloaded. So you just click on open, and you can see your logo clearly visible. So ladies and gentlemen, now this is a bit about how to design your simple logo with this Tailor Brands, and output it for your social media, for any
It's